Dogecoin, Doge, in every practical sense, is a mineable coin that certainly is right now exchanged at $0.059395 per unit, with the market capitalization of $8,403,474,529, that in every practical sense makes it a mid-position digital money in a significant manner. Computerized resources like Dogecoin in a real sense have previously turned into the point of convergence of consideration for retail financial backers and examiners. Yet additionally for especially huge institutional financial backers who generally see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a compelling for the most part support against expansion that takes a genuinely weighty cost for the worldwide economy in every practical sense, enormous way. Subsequently, having basically a piece of the portfolio gave to cryptos certainly is essentially an unquestionable requirement for any merchant and financial backer who needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years in a kind of huge manner for the most part. Be that as it may, with it sort of comes the need to intently in a real sense follow the improvements on the expressed market to understand what is going on and in a real sense have some feeling representing things to come, which explicitly is genuinely critical. This Dogecoin cost expectation model fundamentally was made to assist a peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, by and large track down the best coins or tokens to really put resources into and explicitly keep the value been developing, or so they thought. Be that as it may, prior to diving into the overall Dogecoin examination and cost forecast, we might want to basically help you to remember the kind of fundamental principles of digital money exchanging and speculation a quite huge way. So, we should zero in on the Dogecoin market, its ongoing standings, as well as the mid-term, and in every practical sense, long-haul cost expectation that in every practical sense depends on the readings of our essentially restrictive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, or so they in a real sense thought. Right now, the cost of Dogecoin in a real sense remains at $0.059395. And this essentially specific computerized resource truly stands firm on the 10th foothold in the worldwide digital currency, by and large positioning in a significant manner. For certainly your data, the positioning of each and every cryptographic money in every practical sense is vigorously dependent on its most certainly current market capitalization and cost, and basically is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most exceptional data on the resource being referred to. Or so they especially thought. Likewise, to for the most part get a basically better in a real sense handle of the market circumstance and truly figure out the genuinely broad heading of the pattern, or to basically enroll its non-attendance, it's likewise essential to especially break down the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey. Yesterday, on October 19, the cost of Dogecoin generally remained at $0.058676 at the end of the everyday exchanging meeting, which comprises a 1.87% contrast when contrasted with the really current cost. 7 days prior, on October 13, the Dogecoin market for the most part remained at $0.057881 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, which generally is very critical. As the outcome, the cost truly moved by 0% corresponding to its kind of present standing. A month prior, on September 20, Dogecoin explicitly was evaluated at $0.062712, which most certainly matched with our cost expectation for that fundamentally specific period in a very significant manner. Contrasted with the really present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 5.29% cost move, especially further appearance how consequently, having at all things considered, least a piece of the portfolio dedicated to crypto generally is basically an unquestionable requirement for any merchant and financial backer who generally needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years incredibly basically. At the point when it basically comes to digital currencies, market capitalization fills for all aims and needs more as a sign of the coin's offer or predominance in contrast with the remainder of the market alongside its kind of by and large notoriety with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers. Numerous digital money dealers view market capitalization as a critical pointer to be considered prior to settling on exchanging choices, which certainly is very huge. It is determined by duplicating the truly complete number of coins that are right now available for use, flowing stockpile, by the especially current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, as of now fundamentally remains at $0.059395 in a huge manner. Considering that recipe, we basically have determined the ongoing business sector capitalization of Dogecoin to be at $8,403,474,529, which legitimizes its place as the 10th coin among those exceptionally present on the cryptographic money market in an especially huge manner. Yesterday, on October 19, the market capitalization of Dogecoin generally remained at $8,300-810,578. Keep going week. On October 13, the exceptionally aggregate sum of capital gave to Dogecoin certainly was laid out at $8,183,595,130. The information from a month prior, enlisted on September 20, shows that Dogecoin most certainly had a market capitalization of $8,847,194,426. So kind of numerous digital money merchants view market capitalization as a kind of key marker to be considered prior to pursuing exchanging choices, or so they fundamentally thought. Complete stockpile focuses to the quantity of coins that in every practical sense have previously been mined, stamped, or generally made, and sort of are either coursing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders essentially cool wallets in a quite enormous manner. The sort of complete stock likewise considers any coins that basically have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate in an unpretentious manner. It can especially measure up to the quantity of exceptional portions of an organization that fundamentally is public on the securities exchange. The very complete stockpile of Dogecoin at present really remains at 141,484,486,384 Doge, which generally is very huge. As currently made sense of, the circling supply by and large is the most regularly involved essentially metric for deciding a market capitalization of a cryptographic money being referred to, which certainly is genuinely huge. It compares with the very best estimate of the truly by and large number of coins that for the most part are public on digital money trades and for the most part add to their liquidity in a truly significant manner. Their volume doesn't in a real sense incorporate the coins that especially are vested, marked in commonly savvy contracts, secured in computerized wallets, or generally put unavailable for general use. The coursing supply is fundamentally what might be compared to the drifting stock of offers in the securities exchange, or so they in a real sense thought. At the present time, the coursing supply of Dogecoin explicitly is assessed at 141,484,486,384 Doge in a quite huge manner. Moreover, the perusing of exchanging volume can generally assist one with deciding kind of better passage and leave focuses in light of the fact that as per the principles of specialized examination, critical cost moves, pattern inversions, or unions frequently especially happen at the cost levels that in a real sense are joined by generally high volume, since those for the most part are the volumes where enormous cash certainly had for the most part come into sort of play in an unpretentious manner. As per our information, the exchanging volume on the Dogecoin market generally was as per the following. Over the very beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market sort of added up to $121,698,059 in an unpretentious manner. Yesterday, on October 19, the truly